Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a hashtag or hashtags to your videos or to your live stream. I'm sure if you have been on other live streams, you have seen the hashtags down below above the description. These hashtags right here. It's rather simple to do. In order to do it, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom here and click on Edit Video, as you can see here. Now we're going to wait for it to load. It's a little bit slow. So you're going to go below and you're going to look below the video itself and you're going to look in the description for the video itself. You simply add your hashtags here. Now if you want to add more than one hashtag, just make sure there's a space in here between these two hashtags. It's that simple. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the Save Changes button. It's that simple. Now let's say you want a live stream and you want to do it for all your live streams. You simply click on the live stream like you can see here. We're going to wait for it to come up. It's a little bit slow. Now on your live stream tab, this is usually set its default so you can see these. Come on. YouTube's being a little bit slow on loading up right now and I don't know why it's doing it. Okay, there we go. So below your description on your live stream, you can add a hashtag in here. When you do this, you simply hit enter. You want to be on a new line and you can add your hashtag in here just like this. Let's see, did I put that in? Yep. Now you can leave it like that if you want, or you can have it in all capital letters if you want. It's up to you. As you can see up here, it's saying all changes are being saved. So this is how you would do it if you wanted to do it for your live stream. So when you live stream, people will see this hashtag. It's that simple to do. That's all there is to it. I hope that this was helpful. I hope so. I welcome any comments or suggestions. Thanks for watching.